Hi Krishna Acharya, my name is Sion and I'm 8 years old and I'm living in Bangalore. Acharya, you mute yourself. Acharya, we can't hear you. Please unmute.
Sorry. Atulya, yes?
Sion,
Okay.
Atulya is my brother.
Atulya is your brother. Okay. So today we will start with who is Dhanvantari, Lord Dhanvantari. Okay. So Lord Dhanvantari introduced this Ayurveda to our planet. So Ayurveda, this is a Sanskrit word. Ayushaha Vedaha. This is the meaning of this term, Ayurveda. Ayushaha means life, and Vedaha is having two meanings here. One meaning is knowledge, another meaning is science. So the word becomes like this: knowledge of life or science of life. This is the first simple definition of Ayurveda. There are other definitions also, elaborated definitions, but this first is this one is the very basic and simple one. So Lord Dhanvantari is an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. When there was Samudra Manthan, Lord Dhanvantari appeared having this Amruta Ghatam. Amruta Ghatam means the pot of nectar in his hand. For that purpose, Samudra Manthan was going on. So, can you tell me what are the things Lord Krishna is having in four hands? Very nice, very nice. Like that. Very nice, very good. Shankha Chakram, Gada Padmam. So Lord Dhanvantari, being an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, he is also having Shankha, Chakra, Amruta Ghatam, and Jalauka in his four hands. Shankha Chakra, you know, conch shell, and Chakra is Sudarshan Chakra. Discuss. Jalauka is one type of aquatic animal, that is leech, that is used in the treatment purposes. Amrut Ghatam is pot of nectar. Lord Dhanvantari gave this Ayurveda to the benefit of mankind. So with Ayurveda is having twofold intention, twofold purpose. This is explained in Ayurveda as Prayojanam chasya swasthasya swasthya rakshanam aturasya vikara prashavanam cha. It means Prayojan of Ayurveda. What is the purpose of Ayurveda? Prayojanam cha asya swasthasya swasthya rakshanam. First purpose of Ayurveda is who are swastha. Swastha means healthy person. to keep the health, to maintain the health of healthy persons. This is the first and foremost purpose aspect of Ayurveda. Second purpose of Ayurveda is Aturasya Vikara Prashamnam Cha. Aturasya means deceased person, ill person, and Vikara Prashamnam is to cure the disease of deceased ones. So both together we can say like this: purpose of Ayurveda is to maintain the health of healthy persons, and if at all something goes wrong with health, to cure the disease of the deceased ones. This is the twofold purpose of Ayurveda. So Ayurveda is having, Dhanvantri explained Ayurveda in 8 angas. This Sanskrit word angas means divisions. 8 angas. Kaya bal graha urdhvanga shalya danstra jara vrishehe. This is the 8 angas, or this is the shloka for 8 angas, ashtangas. Ashta means 8, and angas, division. Kaya bal graha urdhvanga shalya tantra jara vrishehe. Here kaya means general medicine. So here all the medicines, all the related with entire body, this kaya chikitsa is explained. Bala means kaya bala. Bala is specific division. It gives the information about pediatrics. This is also called as a Kaumara Bhrutyam. Another name of Bala Chikitsa is Kaumara Bhrutyam. Kaya Bala Graha.
Hare Krishna, actually, your voice is.
Graha means planetary influences. Diseases caused by planetary influences and mental disorders. That this division covers planetary influences and mental disorders. Kaya bala graha urdhva anga. Urdhva anga means in our body there is only one bone lies horizontal. Other all bones are vertical or obliquely placed. Only single bone that lies in our body is horizontal. That is called jatru. In English it is clavicle bone. So above that jatru, this bone, that jatru bone lies here, and urdhva anga. Urdhva means above. Above this bone, whatever diseases are coming, that all are covered in urdhvanga. Urdhvanga. What are the organs are here? Eyes are here. So ophthalmology is covered here. Ears are here. ENT, nose, throat, dentistry, dentals are here. So all entire diseases of Urdhva Anga covered in this branch. Another next branch is Shalya. Shalya is surgical branch. Danstra is some insect bite, snake bite, some poison. These things are covered under Danstra division. Vrushehe, Jara Vrushehe. Sorry. 7th is Jara. Jara means geriatrics. Old age related diseases are covered in Jara. Vrushehe is Vajikaran. Childbirth related diseases and issues, everything is explained in Vrushehe. So these are the 8 divisions of Ayurveda.
Acharya, what is eighth one?
8th one is Vrushehe.
And seventh one?
Jara.
Sixth?
Jara.
Sixth.
Four main problems of human life. What are those?
Acharya, once can you just tell the names of the 8 angas?
Yes.
Janma, Mukta, Jara, Vadi.
Yes. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. What is then Jara? Jara is the seventh anga of Ayurveda.
Acharya, can you tell again? All
One by one.
All
First,
all 8
first
angas,
one
can you tell again?
Yes. First one is Kaya. Kaya Chikitsa. General medicine. Chikitsa. Second one is Bala Chikitsa.
What?
Bala Chikitsa.
Okay. Acharya, you said Bala. Another name we can call. What is that? Kaumara.
Kaumara Bhrutyam. Kaumara Bhrutyam.
Acharya, what is the third one?
Graha Chikitsa.
What is the fourth one?
Urdhvanga.
Fourth. Acharya, fifth one?
Fifth one is Shalya.
Shalya. Sixth one? What is the sixth?
Danstra.
Dam or done, Acharya. Norma.
Sorry.
Damstra means ma or na. Dam or done.
Danstra. Sorry. What you are asking?
Doubt cleared, Acharya.
Cleared, huh? Jara.
What is the seventh?
Seventh. Jara.
Acharya, 8.
Vrushehe.
Acharya, can you tell the Lord Dhanvantari his forearms, what he holds? Shankha Chakra and
Jalauka. Third one is Jalauka.
just a second, Acharya. Jalauka.
Amruta.
Acharya, what is the fourth one? What he
Amruta
holds?
Ghatam.
Medicine.
Amruta Ghatam. Pot of nectar.
Acharya, after Vrushehi.
Yes.
Acharya, after Vrushehi, Acharya.
Total 8 only.
Acharya, once can you tell what is the meaning of Chaya Chikitsa and the meaning of the 8?
Kaya Chikitsa is general medicine.
What?
Kaya Chikitsa. First one. Kaya Chikitsa is general medicine. General medicine.
What is the second? Bala Chikitsa? What is the meaning of that?
Pediatrics.
Can you tell the
Pediatrics
spelling?
means PAE. PAE. Sorry.
AE.
DIA.
TATDIA. What Acharya?
Yes. DIA. PRIC.
Acharya, can you repeat the spelling again? The Bala Chikitsa one, the pediatric.
PAE.
PAE. What is after PAE?
PA. See the chat box. Please see the chat box.
Okay. Acharya, what is the meaning of Graha Chikitsa?
Planetary diseases caused by planetary influences. And mental disorders.
Just a second, Acharya, I am writing. Disease?
See the chat box.
Okay, if you see it, I do it later.
Nothing came, Acharya. I am asking what is a disease in Graha Chikitsa?
Yes, see the chat box. Diseases caused by planetary influence and mental health.
Alright. அந்த பையன் எங்கேயோ பூந்து கிளம்பி போயிட்டான். போய் பெட்ரோல் தான் மிச்சம்.
Hare Krishna. Urdhvanga. Next is Urdhvanga.
Baba, I have big bamboo stick for you, specially made for you.
Sorry.
Baba, I took
Urdhvanga
Temple
is
Omni.
health
What
of
with this? I have parked this vehicle. What do you think? I will keep you both behind or what? Come on. Where you were, Prabhu? Where you were? I'm just searching it from one corner to the other corner. I have been roaming here and there. A lot of police were there.
Udravanga. What is the meaning of Udravanga?
Not even, not even 2 minutes.
Can you mute Prabhuji?
Hare Krishna.
ஓய் அந்த ஸ்டேஷன்ல இருந்தா எங்க பூந்தடிச்சு வந்துட்டான்.
Urdhvanga is health of eyes.
Prabhuji, can you Prabhuji mute Prabhuji?
बड़ा डे बड़ा किशोर गोपाल बाबा
Acharya is the meaning of
किशोर गोपाल
Udravanga, health of eyes, ear, nose, throat, and dental?
No.
This is Urdhvang.
Wait. I'm also vaccinated, but only in the documents, not physically. What happened?
Hare Krishna, Acharya.
Came Delhi. In airport, we came out.
Terminal 2, Terminal 3,
Terminal 3. This
bigger one.
came out of the aircraft. Immediately, all blocked.
Acharya, what is the meaning
PCR
of
test.
Udravanga?
Everything. Waiting. They say
Urdhvang
6 hours
help
waiting.
of
Bhuji, can you
My wife,
please
it was
mute
4 hours.
Bhuji?
I'm waiting.
Sorry?
6 hours plus.
Where you are waiting?
There itself.
Acharya, what is the meaning of Udravanga?
Urdhvang, please see the chat box. Urdhvang is health of eyes, ear, nose, throat, and dentals.
Okay.
Is it
Call
clear now?
manager, give me his phone number. You give me his name at least.
Yes, Acharya.
Something.
So you should have alarmed even before when
I went through, you know, with this.
the fellow who was trying to stop you, you should have not given fig. Just get out.
Yeah, just get out. Then final boss was there. Boss standing like this. He didn't allow. And he came back. Then Hare Krishna missed our train. They gave this test at 7 o'clock. This clearance, this passport, this thing.
You should have planned, at least one day you could have stayed in Delhi. Accordingly.
Full day, Prabhu. We came at 9:30. Our train was at 8 o'clock. Almost
Hare
all
Krishna,
day.
Acharya.
Oh, evening 8 o'clock is your train.
Yeah, 11 hours.
There is lot of disturbance. Can you mute other?
11 hours was there. All day.
Others. Okay.
And it's
Okay.
completely spoiled. Train,
Then what happened? Where did you stay? What happened?
went to one house.
DOT.
Sick, actually. He's sick, married on our good sister.
Uh-huh.
But he's not a devotee. But he is favorable. He's sick.
Okay, you got his contact.
Yeah.
Acharya, very disturbance is coming, Acharya, from where else?
He helped. Yeah, he helped.
Below the option, there is a below the participants, there is mute all Acharya. Hare Krishna, Acharya. Krishna, what are they doing?
Hare Krishna, Acharya. You are muted.
What is the meaning of Jara?
Fever.
M Mike. E Alpha. N November. I India. G Golf. Phoenix State.
Sorry, Hare Krishna. Jara is
Fox off space. Say Juliet. Alpha.
Jara means geriatric medicine.
Actually, which medicine?
the meaning of Vrushehe, Acharya.
Vrushehe. Vrushehe means
Acharya, childbirth related.
which one?
Childbirth. Vrishehi.
Childbirth medicine.
Hare Krishna Acharya.
Yes, yes. Hare Krishna.
Acharya, in this class, what we should do, Acharya?
Sorry.
In this class, what we should do, Acharya?
I don't understand.
In this class, what we have to do, Acharya?
What we are?
To do, Acharya?
Yes, we are.
to class darshan.
Yes, we see. We are getting knowledge about Ayurveda and how it is related to Lord Krishna. Again, with this science of life, knowledge of life, we can keep our health fit to for the purpose of bhakti. What is our ultimate goal?
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Yes, yes. So to attain Krishna Prem, so we should be healthy. Do you agree? We should be healthy. And health,
Acharya, in this
health
one,
is
we have to
having four
make some medicine, Acharya.
Yes, we will prepare. Yes, we will prepare. So I am coming to that. So which ingredient you have in your hand?
What we have to do? What, Acharya?
Hare Krishna. Which ingredients are in your hand?
Ginger.
Hare Krishna.
Acharya, can't hear you. Can you say again?
Ginger, dry ginger, black pepper, long pepper, cinnamon,
Very nice. Clove. Very nice, very nice. So I will tell first Sanskrit names of these. Okay.
Okay, Acharya.
Okay. The first one, kalpa means combination of herbs we are going to prepare is Trikatu. So there's Darshas or Darshan. What is his name?
Darhas Acharya.
Darshan.
Acharya. Darshan.
Darshan, yes.
Darhas Acharya.
Acharya, in this one, what we have to add, Acharya?
Okay. So first ingredient, first medicinal formulation we are going to see today is Trikatu. Trikatu, combination of 3 herbs. So herbs, these are herbs and spices also. Both they have both roles. So Shunthi, Marich and Pippali, these are the Sanskrit names, Sanskrit ingredients of Trikatu Kalpa. Kalpa is combination of herbs, medicine, remedy. Trikatu means these, which are those? Shunthi is dry ginger.
Acharya, can you tell again 3 katus?
Trikatu is Shunthi, Marich and Pippali. These are the Sanskrit names. Shunthi is dry ginger. Marich is black pepper. And Pippali is long pepper. Shunti, Marichi, Pippali. Shunti is dry
Acharya,
ginger.
where do
Yes.
we get long pepper, Acharya?
Long pepper in this departmental stores and some herb suppliers are there.
Acharya,
There you can get this
I
long pepper.
have pepper, Acharya, but I don't have long pepper, Acharya. I don't know about it.
Okay. You can
Acharya,
ask
can you
your
show me? Can you show me long
Anybody-
pepper?
anybody is having long pepper in. Anybody of you is having long paper with you? Hare Krishna. Anybody is having long paper with you?
Acharya, we don't have Acharya.
Nobody is having this, huh? Okay. You can ask it from your grocery shop. So this is easily available spice, easily available herb. So combination of these three, you have to make them into powder first. You have to grind them individually. First you have to make the powder of dry ginger, then black pepper, and then long pepper. And once you finish this grinding, once you finish, yes, Darshan is having this long pepper. Yes, can you see this on screen? This is a long pepper, Pippali. Very nice. So you need
What should we do with that
Acharya,
all
thank you,
things?
Acharya.
yes. So all three should be grinded
Acharya, can't see
individually.
long pepper.
First you have to grind them individually.
Acharya,
First you-
now you are telling recipe. Can you tell again?
Okay. Shunti is dry ginger. Marich,
Acharya, I have dry ginger's powder also.
very nice. So dry ginger powder, you take dry ginger powder, powder of black pepper, and powder of long pepper, all in equal quantity. All in equal quantity.
Acharya, long pepper, ginger and
Black pepper.
okay, Acharya. Acharya, but I don't have the powder of black pepper and long pepper.
Powder of long pepper and
Black pepper.
yes, powder of black pepper, powder of long pepper, and powder of dry ginger.
So what should we
You have
do
to-
with
Next
that?
step, Acharya.
Sorry.
Next step, what is the next?
Next step. So you have to blend them together. You have to mix them together and blend them together. Okay.
Okay, Acharya, 1 second.
If you have mortar and pestle, that will be best. So you have to triturate that all three ingredients together. And now your Trikatu churna is ready.
Acharya, I don't
Huh.
have black pepper and long peppers powder.
You have to triturate it, make it into powder. If you have whole grains, then you have to triturate it in mortar pestle and make it into powder. Okay. And finally you have to mix them together. all
But
together.
Acharya send in WhatsApp lavang, bay leaf, cinnamon, pepper, cardamom, ilachi. That also we should take. Said Acharya.
Yes. So this is the first combination what I shared with you. Another combination with other ingredients. I am going to share that. Okay.
Okay,
So
Acharya.
before going to that, let's understand what are the uses of this Trikatu Churna. Okay. Is it interesting?
Yes, Acharya.
So Trikatu Churna improves overall digestive health. Means it improves digestive fire and it improves digestion also. See in Ayurveda,
Acharya, why we should use this Trikatu Churna?
for the improvement of digestion. Improvement of digestion. So the process of Ayurveda, process of digestion is in Ayurveda is explained in 3 stages, 3 steps. First step is Deepanam, Pachanam and Sukshma Pachanam. Deepanam means kindling the digestive fire, means we are getting appetite. Yes, to kindle the digestive fire.
Pepper.
Sorry.
Acharya, I don't have long pepper powder also, and long pepper also I don't have.
So you have to ask to your grocery shop person, and then you have to collect from there. Okay, and then only you will be able to prepare the combination. Okay, next time you will see it is available with you. Okay, so uses, first use of this is digestion, improvement in digestion. So whatever are the problems with digestion, it will fix. Another use is cough and cold. Persons are sneezing, running nose, cough, dry cough is there. Okay, cough and cold also.
Acharya, you said three stages, Deepanam and
Please can
another two.
Yes. Pachanam, another stage is Pachanam. First stage, Deepanam means to kindle the digestive fire. Second stage is Pachanam. Digestion. And third stage is Sukshma.
Acharya, you are on mute.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, now we can hear you, Acharya.
So three stages are like this: Deepanam, Pachanam, and Sukshma Pachanam. Kindle the digestive fire, digestion, and assimilation. So these all 3 procedures. Very nice. Darshan is triturating into powder.
Darahasacharya, not Darshanacharya.
Yes.
Darahasacharya, not Darshan.
Darhas. Yes, Darhas. Sorry. Darhas.
It's okay, Acharya.
Okay.
Testing it, what should we do?
Hare Krishna.
Testing it, what should we do?
You should powder them individually and then add all together.
Yeah,
Then-
all together means all means bay leaf also we should add.
No.
Acharya?
Only
After
for-
powder, we have to mix it, Acharya.
Yes. Sorry.
No, Acharya, I am mixed
Making powder, you have to mix Acharya.
powder also, and I have mixed also.
Let me repeat once again. We are preparing first combination of Trikatu. It is named as a
Acharya?
Trikatu. Trikatu means shuti, dry ginger,
Acharya.
long pepper, and black pepper. Only 3 ingredients. Okay. Another combination we are going to do is
Acharya, can you show me long pepper?
Darhas. Please show the long pepper. Darhas.
I have grinded it, Acharya.
Okay. Anyway, the long pepper.
Okay, Acharya.
Okay. Thank you, Darhas.
Okay.
Okay.
Acharya,
So another.
I have made all of its powder, and I have mixed also. After that, what should we do?
Question, Krishnangi, yes?
No, man.
Acharya, but I don't have long paper. What should I do?
So, wait, without that you cannot prepare the complete combination.
Okay, Acharya.
Okay. There is no substitute for this. So all
Acharya, can you send up process of this all so I can make later?
yes, I will share it with you. Okay.
Acharya, what is the another combination?
Okay. Let me confirm with Darhas. Your combination is ready, Darhas? Very nice, very nice. Happy to see that. Very nice, very nice. Hare Krishna. Very nice. So this combination is used in to improve the digestive health, and it will remove, it will inhibit the growth of cancer also, and it stops spreading cancer to other organs. This is the very specific usage of Trikatu Churnam. But for your age, cough, cold, digestive problems, loose motions, these kind of things can be fixed with this Churnam. Next combination is Tri Jatak.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, yes.
Prabhuji, how do we use it, consume it, this churna?
Yes, very nice question. So, according to age and body weight, we have to use this. So, adult can use 3 grams of Trikatu. Average adult person of 60 kg body weight should use 3 grams of Trikatu Churna, and Anupanam is also important. Anupanam means vehicle with which it should be consumed. That is also very important in Ayurveda. So for vehicle, the Anupanam is the Sanskrit term. So for Trikatu, common Anupanam is honey. Those who don't have diabetes, they can use it safely. Honey. Other is warm water. So along,
I have just made the powder and I have come now. So now what we have to do?
you prepare the powder combination, yes?
Yeah. I just came now. I have prepared the powder.
Acharya, adults, how much we should take? How much?
Yes. So you are having different you are from different age group. So commonly, if you
Lakshmi. Ba.
Hare Krishna, Acharya, what we have to do now? After making this powder,
You can store that in some jar or in PET bottle, okay, or in better in glass jar or PET bottle, okay.
Acharya, I have mixed and keep. Acharya, I have mixed it all. After that, what should I do?
So now you can preserve it. You can preserve it in some PET bottle or some glass bottle, okay.
Acharya, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Acharya, Acharya, you said for adults around weighing 60 kgs need to take 3 grams of Trikato Churna.
Yes.
Children, how much should they take, Acharya?
Okay. So average, if we consider the weight of 15 kg, so it will come like 0.75 grams. Okay. So average, you can like 10 kg of body weight, those will be half gram.
Acharya, about 10
Understood?
kg.
Acharya, I want to tell that how much should 15 kg child should take?
Like 0.7, little less than 1 gram. Sorry, 0.75 gram, equal to 0.25 gram. Making it more simple,
Okay, Acharya. So,
yes, making it more simple. If
Acharya, the weight,
if the
if a
child
person has
is,
a weight of
sorry,
yes, 40 kg, so how much should he take?
40 kg, then 1 gram, sorry, 2 grams.
2 grams.
20 kg is 1 gram, 40 kg is 2 grams, 60 kg is 3 grams. Is it clear now?
2 grams.
Okay.
2 gram.
Yes.
Acharya, 21 gram, 42 grams.
20 kg 1 gram, 40 kg 2 grams, and 60 kg 3 grams. Is it clear now?
Yes, Acharya.
Yes.
Acharya,
Yes.
I have made this much only.
Oh, that
Me
is
also, Acharya, I
sufficient.
made this much.
Yes, good one. Sufficient enough. Sufficient.
Later, Acharya, what I will do, I will make little bit more.
You need to make it into very nice powder. Its granule should be nicely grinded. Okay, it should not be a coarse powder. Should be a fine powder.
Acharya, it's like this soft powder.
Soft powder, very nice, very nicely prepared. Yes, you can preserve it into.
What should we use to make this Trikota powder?
You can preserve it. You can preserve it in some container. And whenever you have cough, cold, some digestive problem, you can take this churnam after consulting your parent. Okay.
Acharya, with what we can take, Acharya? This powder with water or?
Either with warm water or honey.
Okay, Acharya.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, it should be taken before start of the day or any time.
See, generally in cough, cold and all, it is taken every 3 hours.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Okay.
Acharya, this churna, how many days you will store, Acharya? How many days it can stay?
So this will if the container is airtight container, so you can store it for 1 year. Container should
Acharya,
be
how many days we should use this churna?
so once
Every day?
for yes, every day every 3 hours you can consume it this powder. And for example, if you have a cough cold, and if you are consuming like every 3 hours, for one day you consumed for 4 times, another day you consumed for 2 times, and your cough cold relieved, then you have to withdraw this. No need to consume again. Okay.
Okay. Acharya,
Yes.
one more thing I want to tell Acharya, that like there should be a benefit. So if we'll eat this, what will happen?
Sorry.
It should be a benefit, right? If we eat this, what will happen?
It will cure cough cold. It will fix digestive problems.
Acharya,
Understood?
Acharya, how should
Yes.
we? Acharya, we should take like this 1 spoon.
Yes. So I
so small spoon.
this small is approximately 2 grams. And 1 teaspoon is generally 5 grams. You need to understand that measurement also. Average size, standard size of teaspoon is 5 grams. Okay.
Acharya, for digestion, how many days we should take?
See, for digestion, 3 or 4 days is enough.
Okay,
Hare
Acharya.
Krishna, Acharya.
Yes.
Acharya, can you please repeat quantity of each item?
Okay. Quantity is in equal quantity. See, for example, if you are taking individual ingredients in 50 grams, so each should be 50 grams. If it is 10 grams, then each should be 10 grams.
Okay. Ginger or black pepper or long pepper are same quantity, Acharya?
Same quantity, yes. Equal quantity, yes. 1:1 is the ratio.
Okay, Acharya.
Okay. And my request and suggestion to every child is, before taking anything, you should consult your parent. Okay. Can we go for next combination? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Acharya.
Okay. So next combination's name is Trijatak. Trijatak.
Jartak, Acharya.
Trijatak. Tri means 3. Sanskrit term 3 means 3. Trijatak.
Acharya, can you wait?
Trikatu, Triphala, Trijatak means all are having 3 ingredients. It is very simple. Trijatak.
Acharya, this what do we need, Acharya? Spelling, Acharya.
Okay. So I will tell
Acharya?
the 3. Yes.
Acharya, for Trikattu Churna, like children in 15 and 10 kg need to take half grams, right, Acharya?
So see, average, you need to calculate like this. Average adult of 60 kg should take 3 grams. So for 20 grams, it will come 1 gram. For 10 grams, it will come half gram or 500 milligram. Okay.
Okay, Acharya.
Okay.
Acharya, can you send the ingredients in the of Trikuta chori in the chat?
Yes, sure.
Acharya, and should we mix it in water and drink, or like eat it? Like put it in our mouth and eat it.
Both can be, you can do it both way, but all, as the name suggests, all are hot and spicy. So better you mix it in water and drink, or you mix it with honey and drink. Okay.
Okay, Acharya.
Okay. So 3 Jatak ingredients are, I am going to share in chat box.
Acharya, this 3 kattu churna first with honey. First we should take 3 kattu churna and we should eat honey.
That also can be done. And other practice is, if you are taking 1 gram of churnam, you can take half spoon of honey and mix it together and you can consume. Okay.
Hi, India.
Acharya, half spoon honey or half gram honey?
Half spoon. Half spoon. Okay.
Hare Krishna Acharya, now you told we will make another churna. So for that, what do we need?
So 3 Jatak churna. See the chat box. 3 Jatak. 3 ja K. It will be K at the end. Okay. 3 Jatak. 3 Jatak. Ingredients are.
Can you please tell the ingredients we need for 3 Jataka churna?
Okay. First ingredient is twak. Twak is cinnamon. Sanskrit name of cinnamon is twak.
Cinnamon. Acharya, please send all the things in the chat box, Acharya.
Okay.
What do we need?
Twak elani tejpatram.
What is the meaning of that all?
Please wait. I am typing.
Can write in English?
Here are the English names of ingredients. Twak is cinnamon, ela is cardamom, and tejpatram is bay leaf. Clear?
दादा कोणा घरे जमवा ગયા છે
Okay. So with this cinnamon,
તમે લોકો તિલક નગર ન જવાના આજે દાદા ને ભાઈ જમવા જે ગુજરી નથી ગયા.
So with cinnamon sticks, we have to this. Do you know one interesting thing? Cinnamon and bay leaf comes from single plant.
Oh,
Cinnamon,
nice, Acharya.
yes, from single plant. Leaves are called tejpatta in Hindi, and cinnamon is a bark of that stem. So now you have to take first ingredients twak. Twak is cinnamon, and you have to triturate to make it into fine powder. Cinnamon.
Acharya, we should make powder of cinnamon.
Yes, first one cinnamon. Next is ela. Ela is cardamom. You have to remove the outer skin of cardamom and take black seeds of cardamom.
The powder, Acharya. How much quantity, Acharya? Should we all make the powder?
Yes, all you have to make into powder, and as in Trikatu, here also all ingredients are in equal quantity, same quantity. 1:1:1 means if you are taking them as 1 spoon, each should be 1 spoon powder. If you are taking with by 10 grams, then all should be 10 grams in weight. So you have to triturate and make into fine powder. Again, you have to remove the skin of cardamom and take those black seeds, black grains of cardamom. Okay. With bay leaf, with scissors, you have to cut it into small pieces first, and then you have to grind it.
Acharya, this 3 jetas, how to take? Acharya?
Okay, we will come to that.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్తారు తొందరగా సంవత్సరం
Bay leaf also you have
మొత్తం తీసేసే ఎలా సౌండ్ వస్తలేదు అయిపోయినాక పెట్టుకో వీళ్ళు కూడా వినాలండి ఇప్పుడు చెప్తాడు ఎట్లా తీసుకోవాలి ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి అన్నిటికీ చెప్తాడు ఇక.
So one more interesting thing is using mortar pestle is, see, if we are making powders with this mortar and pestle. So in video you is doing with a mortar pestle. Okay. Other procedure you can do it with a mixer grinder. But doing it with a mortar pestle is the best practice, because herbs and spices are having volatile means they can disappear. So medicinal value, once the powder is getting hot or warm in mixer grinder, so medicinal value comes down. So you have to make into mortar and pestle for best result. For this procedure, there is a very small reference of Ayurveda is Mardanam Gunavardhanam. Mardanam is triturating. Gunavardhanam, as long as you go on triturating, making it into powder, so its potency, its gunas, its characteristic goes on increasing. That is very, very important. Mardanam Gunavardhanam, which is coming from Ayurveda. So you have to make into fine paste, fine powder.
Acharya, we should make fine paste or fine powder.
Sorry, fine powder. Okay.
Acharya, we have to cut this cinnamon pieces.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
We have to cut the cinnamon pieces.
Yes, you have to cut cinnamon into small pieces and then you have to pound it and yes. Yes, cinnamon, like yes, like that you have to make into small pieces and
How
then
much
you have to
cinnamon means the ingredients we have to take?
all in equal quantity. Cinnamon, if it is 10 grams, then cinnamon will be 10 grams, cardamom will be 10 grams, and bay leaf also will be 10 grams.
Okay, Acharya.
Okay.
All
So
10 grams, Acharya.
yes, in case you are taking 10 grams, then all will be 10 grams. If you are taking 50 grams, then all will be 50 grams. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay. So this churnam is called Trijatak churnam. So
Acharya, how to
uses
take
of
this 3 charger?
okay. So when to take is first important. Then this combination is one of the ingredients of Chyawanprash. You know the Chyawanprash? Do you know the Chyawanprash?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Acharya.
Yes. So this is one of the important. Which one?
Acharya, I brought everything, Acharya. Making powder, Acharya. Now what
So
I have
this
to do, Acharya?
so this is one of the ingredient of Chyawanprash. Chyawanprash is having more ingredients. This is one of them. Another use of the Trijatak is it is used in case of aruchi. Aruchi means tastelessness. So if the person is having no taste on tongue, this taste can be used. Or bitter taste on tongue, this will improve the taste. Okay, aruchi, agni mandya. These are Sanskrit terms. Aruchi means tastelessness. Agni mandya. Agni mandya. We have agni means fires. We have 13 types of agnis in our body. That is what Ayurveda explains. 13 types of body. 13 types of agni in our body. So the Agni Mandya means when these all 13 types or one of them or group of them gets diminished. So this Agni should be kindled, should be fired. For that purpose, this Trijatak Churna is used.
How to take, Acharya,
Aruchi.
these 3 jataks?
Yes. First, we will finish with the uses of it. Okay. I said this first use. I said.
Krishna Prabhuji, sorry, please can you repeat once again the this please?
Should we mix them all?
I will repeat. First use is it is used in aruchi. Aruchi means tastelessness. Agnimandya is low digestion. You can say low digestion or low appetite. This can be used.
Hare Krishna, Acharya. I am Krishnangi, Acharya. I am telling that I have made all the ingredients powder which you have told for 3 jataka.
Yes.
Now should we mix them all?
Yes, mix them all like 3:2. Mix them all and blend together. Okay.
Acharya, Hare Krishna, Acharya.
Yes.
3:2 means cinnamon powder, ilachi, bay leaf, no, Acharya?
Yes. No, sorry. 3:2. See, 3:2 is dry ginger, black pepper, and long pepper. 3 jatak means cinnamon, cardamom, and bay leaf. Both are different.
Both are same.
No,
same quantity, Acharya?
Same quantity. All 3 ingredients, same quantity.
Oh, that is separate. That is separate.
Yes, yes, two different combinations. These are two different combinations. First combination is called Trikatu. Another combination is called Trijatak.
Acharya, you just completed.
Sorry. Then uses a Agnimandya Aruchi. Adman. Adman is bloating. Sometimes you get, after indigestion you get gases, gas troubles are there in digestion. Then this is called Adman. Atop is a Sanskrit term means atop is some sound comes from the stomach, like this good sound is coming in during indigestion. Okay, so in these cases this churn helps very much. Trijatak. Uses are clear now?
Yes, yes, Acharya. Now you tell
Yes.
how to take.
And now how to take dosage, the quantity of intake and its vehicle anupanam, both are same like a 3 same with warm water or with honey. See, in specific diseases,
Acharya, as you have told that small children should take a little bit less than 1 gram and big should take 3 grams. Is this for three chatak? Also, the same quantity we should have it.
see, yes, quantity is same like a 3 churna. Okay.
Acharya.
Yes.
Acharya, when we take 3 detergent in 2 grams, we should take 1 spoon of honey.
Yes, 1 spoon of honey. Yes. And when you are using it against digestive problems, this churn works better before prasadam. Okay. You need to take it before prasadam. Means if you take it 3 times in a day, for say for example 2 to 3 days, so digestive problems and this Aruchi, what I said, Aruchi, Agnimandya, Advan, Atop, these all symptoms will be fixed. Okay.
Acharya, 3 kattu and 3 jetaj, we should take this 2 in 3 times in a day.
Not 2. So if you are having specific problems like a cold cough is there, and then you have to take 3 kattu. Okay. And again, Hare Krishna. Now we will go to. Yes.
Atmaya means what?
Adman is gas troubles. Gas troubles in the intestines and bowel. It is called Adman. Okay. Bloating. And Atop is sound is coming from the bowel. Like good sound is coming. Yes. During indigestions or during loose motions. So in that case, you can use. If you are having belching means hiccup. In Hindi, it is called hichki. Okay. So belching.
Acharya, what is Hatma?
Sorry.
What is Hatma?
Adman. He is bloating. These are Sanskrit terms. So making it in simple, you can take into digestive problems. Okay. So now these are the Shastric combinations as per Ayurvedic scriptures, as per Ayurvedic basic compendiums. These are the combination standard formulations. So Vaidyas means physicians. They do the combinations of these two plus some other ingredients. I will explain once again. Combination of these two. For example, in case we are going to use Trikatu plus Trijatak plus clove. Understood?
Element.
Okay, this kind of, yes.
Yeah, if a throat is paining, how much we should take this 3 Jatak?
Yes, 3 Jatak. If yes, we will come to that. If throat soreness is there or throat pain is there, so we need to combine both together. 3 Katu plus 3 Jatak. Plus, you have to add clove also and some candy sugar. You know this Sita. Sanskrit name of candy sugar is Sita. You know that stone sugar? Yes.
Acharya, like
Yes,
jaggery.
Crystal sugar, Acharya?
Yes, crystal sugar in the form of stones. Not that square crystals. Better you take natural ones in the stone forms. Okay, small pebble forms.
And Mike.
Okay.
Acharya, for throat paining, we should take 3 Katu plus 3 Jatak plus clove plus candy sugar.
Yes.
We should clove and candy sugar. We should make powder and we should mix these all and we should directly eat it.
Yes. So in that case, what you can do, if in the combination of 3 Katu and 3 Jatak, if each ingredient is in 10 grams, so clove should be 10 grams only. Understood?
And candy sugar also 15 grams.
No, 10 grams. Okay, these kind of combinations specifically Vaidyas are preparing.
Hare Krishna, Acharya.
Hare Krishna, yes.
Acharya, this for sore throat you said Trikatu, Trijatak, clove and stone, this candy sugar. Now if you already prepared this one, your churn, if you have already prepared Trikatu and Trijatak, so you have to take 1 gram of each and clove 1 gram, is it?
Yes. So if you are taking, again the dose will be like this. So if you are taking 3 Katu 10 grams, 3 Katu 10 grams, 3 Jatak 10 grams, and clove and this candy sugar, all together is 3 grams for adult only. 3 grams is enough.
Sorry, Acharya, we didn't hear.
Sorry. Once again, I will repeat. Okay. So clove quantity will be, so if 10 gram is the quantity of each ingredient in 3 Katu and 3 Jatak. So clove quantity should be 10 gram only. Now, is it clear now?
No. Now you're saying we have already prepared the churn. We've already prepared the Trikatu churn is already prepared.
Yes. Then how much?
Churn. That time I will take 10 gram. If I take 1 gram of that churn, Trijatak churn 1 gram, then clove I will take 1 gram.
No. Clove you should take like 300 milligrams.
Okay. So this 10 grams and 1 gram of clove you have to take.
Yes, one third of main combination.
1/3. Okay.
Yes.
Acharya,
Yes.
when we are taking 3 kattu and 3 tajaj, 10 grams, how much we should take clove and candy sugar?
Clove should be taken in 3 grams. Okay.
And candy sugar?
So now if you are taking 10 grams of trikatu, 10 grams of trijatak, 3 grams of clove, then altogether how much it will be? 23 grams, yes?
Yes, Acharya.
So you need to take 23 grams of Sita candy sugar. Is it clear now?
I did not understand,
Acharya.
Acharya. This 3 kattu churna and this 3 tajat churna and clove, and this 3 kattu churna and 3 tajat churna, we should take 10 grams and clove 3 grams. Again, to candy sugar we should take 23 grams.
Yes. And this is one specific combination, very good combination that helps in sore throat, running nose, and watering of eyes, heaviness of head, pain in earaches are there. Pain sometimes there is pain in ears, so there also it helps. And indigestion, gas troubles, loose motions. See, the ingredients goes on, means Vaidyas are doing combinations of these specific formulations. So these are the very simple 3 combinations you can use as a home remedies. Okay.
Acharya,
Yes.
we should make the powder of candy sugar and we should mix all that.
Yes. What you can do, you can prepare trikatu separately, preserve it separately. 3 jatak you can preserve it separately, and combination of trikatu, 3 jatak, clove and Sita, clove and candy sugar separately. Means you have three formulations in your hand, so accordingly you can use. Is it clear now?
As such.
Okay. So any questions do you have? Any questions you have?
No, Acharya.
Acharya, what are the uses of Trijataka?
3 jataka is aruchi, tastelessness. Agnimandya is we are having 13 types of agnis in our body. So if fire digest, for example, making it simple, for example, digestive fire is less, then it will increase the fire. Okay.
Okay, Acharya.
One more very, yes.
Acharya, 3 jatak means cinnamon powder, ilachi, baby leaf. Enough, Acharya?
Yes, 3 only. 3 ingredients only.
Cloves and candy sugar are separated.
That is a 4th combination. Sorry, 3rd combination. First combination.
That is separate.
First combination I shared is 3 kattu. Second combination I said is 3 jatak. And third combination is 3 kattu plus 3 jatak plus clove plus candy sugar. Okay.
Okay. Acharya, for Acharya for 3 jataka. And then Agimanja, and then
sorry.
What is the other Jivata?
Yes. Other use for Trijataka Acharya, one is Agni Madhya and second one?
Aruchi. Aruchi is business.
Aruchi is?
Sometimes in fever, tongue becomes bitter. So taste is, anything you eat, it tastes like bitter. So these kind of tastes, and sometimes person doesn't have any good taste, not getting actual taste of the recipes. So in those cases, that is called condition of aruchi. Again, Agni Mande is low agnis, low fires. Atop, before that, Adman. Adman is bloating of the stomach, bloating of the intestines. Okay, so gases are there, discomfort is there. So there also you can use this churnam. And Adman Atop means sometimes sounds are coming from the stomach. Abdomen, you will feel or hear some sounds like good. Some sounds will come, unusual sounds. So that in those conditions you can use this churna.
Thank you.
Okay?
Acharya.
Thank you, Acharya.
Acharya.
Okay.
Quantity, Acharya?
I have one last doubt, Acharya.
Yes.
If we are taking a 3 to 10 grams, 3 tajaka 10 grams, and 3 grams of clove, and 20, and these all 23 grams of candy sugar, how much honey we should take, Acharya?
How much honey?
We should take with honey or normally, Acharya?
Both. With honey you can, Anupanam is same for all three. You can take either with warm water or with honey. You can take this. Okay.
We should take this 3 to 3 tajak and clove. We should eat that with honey or warm water, and we should eat candy sugar separately.
No. Candy sugar is one of the ingredient. In the preparation itself, you need to use candy sugar, and again you can use with honey. Okay. And one more important instruction is there. So these combinations should not be mixed with honey and preserve. Okay, that will spoil the combination. Okay, this is very important thing. So you should, whenever you are going to consume that time only you have to mix with honey. Okay, all churnam is mixed with honey and preserved. That will spoil the combination. Okay.
What is the dosage for Acharya? When should we convert Acharya?
Not understood.
Acharya, when should we consume it, Acharya?
Please ask once again.
Acharya.
When should we consume it, Acharya? When should we eat it?
Yes. Very good question. So you can use it before prasadam 3 times in a day. Before prasadam thrice daily. Okay. I think
what is the dosage for Trijataka?
Same like 3 2. Okay.
Vehicle also same, Acharya?
Vehicle also same.
Okay.
Yes. Dosage and vehicle is same for all 3 combinations.
Okay, Acharya.
Okay. So I think all the questions are cleared now.
Acharya, I have a question. For a weight loss, is there any medicine?
Yes, there are some combinations for weight loss, and in another sessions we can cover that. Okay.
Okay, Acharya.
Acharya, what way, for what we this thing is, is it for kada?
No, it's a churnam. Churnam means powders. Okay. No need
And
to
with
boil
this
them.
with this we can
Yeah.
make kada.
No need to make it into kadha. Yes. See, this is a good question. So, see, this form of index means one is swarasam. In Sanskrit, it is called swarasam. Swarasam means fresh juice of the herb. For example, if you are taking bhringarajam and if consumed in fresh juice, so dhanyak patra swarasam means coriander leaf juice. Okay, like this swarasam. Next is kashayam or kwatham or niryus. These terms are decoctions. You have to boil them and use as in the form of kadha. Okay. Churnam is in the form of powders, fine powders. Okay.
So we have
Another
to
one.
eat it like this, putting it in a honey water, or drink it in a honey water or warm water. For diabetes, so we have to take honey water.
No, I haven't said honey water. Either honey or warm water.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can drink it. It's like a kada, but my question is that we don't boil it.
Yes, that is what I am saying. So forms in which form you have to take, there are different forms. Some of them I will explain. Kadha is you have to boil them and filter it, and then you take the liquid portion. Okay, that is called kadha, or in Sanskrit it is called kashayam or kwatham. Another form in the fresh juice, in the form of fresh juice, that is called swarasam. Okay, what we prepared today is in the form of churnam, in the form of powders. Powders you have to consume without boiling. Okay, another
Okay,
form
so we have
of
to put them in a warm water or honey and drink it.
yes. Another form of consumption is avaleham. Avaleham means like chavanprash avaleham. Okay, Kushmand avaleham, Brahmi avaleham. So there are different types of avaleham. So avaleham is like chavanprash, you lick, lehyam, you lick them. That is called avaleham. Okay. Another one more form of intake is pant. Pant means you have to soak it overnight in warm water or hot water, and next morning you have to filter it, and then you have to take that. That is called fant. If you are soaking it in cold water, then it is called as sheetam. Sheetam and fant. These are the forms of intakes. So churnam, there is no need to boil it. Okay. Next time we will.
What is the best thing?
Sorry.
What is the mean when we put as font and Sitam? So what is very best for means cold and cough?
For cold and cough, these combinations are best. Yes, and one more kashayam kadha, in the form of kadha also. Some other combinations, standard combinations are there. In next sessions we can share with some kashayam. Okay.
Acharya, we are not able to grind the bay leaf, Acharya, with this one.
Yes, Mataji.
Grind it.
Bay leaf you have to cut into small pieces with scissors.
Okay.
And then you have to grind it. First,
We have-
with bay leaf, what you have to do is you should pound it. Before triturating, you should pound it. Beat it. Okay. And then if you triturate, it will become fine. Okay, Mataji. Is it clear?
Okay, Acharya. Okay. Don't have to roast, no, Acharya.
No need to roast anything. Yes.
Okay.
Generally, masalas, spices are roasted. But here, in some medicinal preparations are also some roasting is there. But in these combinations, there is no roasting. Yes.
Thank you, Acharya.
So please allow me, and so today's time is over, and please allow me. So Hare Krishna, and if you need specific combinations, if you need specific diseases, you can inform to Vijay Gopinath.
Hare Krishna,
Okay.
Prabhuji, can you please give your number?
Hare Krishna. So
Hare Krishna,
my
Prabhuji,
number
can you
is
please give your number?
55
What?
955.
Can you please send it in chat? I can't hear your voice very well.
Okay.
Send it in the chat.
Acharya, thank you for teaching us medicines at this young age.
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.
Acharya, can you please tell me the number, Acharya, once more?
I shared it in
955?
95515
40460.
Yes, ma'am.
Acharya, what is your name?
Sarangpani Madhav Das. Sarangpani Madhav Das.
Sarangapani.
Okay, I'm thanking you all giving me this beautiful opportunity to serve you. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Acharya.
Thank you, Acharya, for everything.
Hare Krishna, Acharya, pranam, Ram.
Hare Krishna, Acharya, pranam, Ram. Hare Krishna, Acharya, Ram, Punar Milam. Krishna, Dandavat Pranam, Ram, Punar Milam.
Acharya, can you send this recording in the WhatsApp group? Acharya? Acharya, can you send this recording in WhatsApp
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Ram, Punar Milam.
Yeah. How to? Yeah.